bloggers. Mebo audio wa Owusu Bempah and my do better free bloggers. You can never forget. I tell your number and I have a lot of your conversation with people. Oh. Mama Pat kasa more than 40 minutes. Mini aso ani Reverend Obofo wasem Debbie. But I disagree with her comment. Totally. Mimi we as one say mimpe obi asema me manipa ne hu se mempena sem say na me hu himitie. Na enami be bo audio bi wa ha. That's the reason why I mean so obi ano. Say me mo bi mpe obi asema me manipa ne hu se memetan mempena sem. Me hu nipa na me nsre nkyere me mu na bibi me obi bitia no. I don't do that. Tetia na no mo fure bibi sipe. Udi agro obetu sisi ya. Yana nanoma no mo suma bosom ma sebe o mo koya ye to aso nei sebe o manam so no yedie ye fre bibi sipe we least mistake sipe becho na mama part ayeme ya se obofo friend say o brother but when to me am fa phone am friend no and na o kasa o say na wuni number and na wuni ni number and say ya okesi ba ya ufri ma wo de da say me de say wo make comment bi say wo ma me no kunu kabo mu ekusia Reverend Obofo sabe o ma me no kunu ntimi nko Reverend Obofo fie wa abro mo mfre no it what I disagree with you. I disagree with you. Now ma me ngege ni nkofo a ya bubo audios you are using your content to condemn Reverend Obofo, which is not fair. Which is not fair. And me can some way, let me set the record straight. And to kwaya ba omoko mama part. Unti na ntokwana ba. Unti na ntokwana ba. Disa ntokwa ba na unkabia, enkabi kula. But sa oba betufo. We a futu asa wo attack ni pan but so be call straight. And I'm going for some Saturday. My part in Reverend Obofo Asamana. And I'm saying, Debbie, I'm only asked them. We play video, no mama part. In fact, where dear, no. I disagree totally. I disagree. And I am telling you today, say, and I'm also not to Kanaba. A 10-year bloggers would do Obofo and some Yaka for the Hunin and I'm also Tinaba. And I'm also Tinan to Kanaba. Also, for Owusu Bempah so and Tiasia say, Reverend Obofo. About the atia so when you near some watia man crado. I want baby and talk on start free ye. Sabi in previous and anka above what social media no ka general and otiao say or no Agradaa near some or ye near bar anka sabi we time be the womb. Mami mo audio nchirawo. I am yasen no abatinasi abeka say there's a time for everything. Ebia wo umre no adaje wo time a wo de kun Reverend Obofo so the time wo de kun so wontimi nka say ebia wo time a wo de beef for social media no e was so Obofo so yes sir please me pacho pick a fight with Reverend Obofo because issue now but if you are not careful now wo kabia one way you to kwan be kwakoto no now wo say be pick another fight with Reverend Obofo. Please don't do that. Tokwaya ba omukui me say ma me part so na ntokwa na ma baaye enye bibia Reverend Obofo no Owusu Bempah ni asem sabi problem bia ni honom munti asem we say yie me ba audio ya kire mo muntie audio we muntie
ogo kutima na msati ye maybe
muntie
ye maybe go na chia Agradaa ni amankrado ogo kutima na msati ye maybe
muntie
oro fishe maybe ba ko no ma e ma ni no mi ye maybe go na chia Agradaa ni amankrado ogo kutima na msati ye maybe
tio osida okotia mankrado eti Agradaa ni sa da na mstati ye ni maybe
me and your baby. And now that she Agradaa and man crab, don't put him up, and I'm starting here, maybe.
Mama Pat, let me tell you something. Yeah, only baby. Mammy take me time, I'm in trouble in Simdimu. Case Nabano, Unkabia, men kabikura. Yeah? Langa the 4 penny be one cry, huh? Minika say, Owusu Bempah, Okitani naked video, or 10,000 Ghana CD. Why? Also 4 years, sir. Langa the chrono said, Owusu Bempah masum diama, Maba boni dinama boni audio account. Please. Shatawale te Ghana ha isabi se obi ani so opema oye humanizer tsemi wuyi. Now am no ka say Owusu Bempah so kita Shatawale naked obi na beto ma no odi yedai. Askoda mo mian kalu kwente ni pari binom. Who is Owusu Bempah? Odi na mabo atire no. Obafu benya tai nyina ye tia obetia woni amankrado. Na cover problem we diaba. Listen to the audio.
And now that she Agradaa and man crab, don't put him up, and I'm starting here, maybe.
Tie, mami sa mo ba ko san kira wo.
Idea make you know the soul of the catcher. I just me who should have me. Or no before. Idea make you before.
Oh, come on. Hello? Yeah. Me wa life until farmer me fast. Me wa life into was my start life bra. My start life. No. Sando bibia ma Mrs. Ya. Langa the penny be me person me body din because I respect him. And me born this say what Owusu Bempah to me tran crying. Won't me tran. Owusu Bempah say oni ebe kwa ni dirty audio to audio me say and you obenya a lot of audios. Mama Pat, me bo audio wa Owusu Bempah time or more planning arrest. When you fear nyina God, I am a yasa Mama Pat what do major. Seriously. Bloggers, mebo audio wa Owusu Bempah and my do better fair the bloggers. You can never forget. I tell your number and I have a lot of your conversation with people. Oh.